Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The updated Z really feels like a desirable product on every front, yet in just a few years Jaguar will axe it, with a compact executive saloon not likely to return to the lineup as the British brand turns to full electrification. Still, if you want to buy a slice of what will soon become a chapter in Jaguar's history, there are few models out there as good as this. The updated infotainment for this 2021 version of the Z plays a big part in that. The world waited a while for a properly competitive baby Jaguar. It received it in 2015 in the form of the Z, but a decade after its launch Jaguar's compact executive saloon will be removed from sale as the British manufacturer's range becomes all-electric from 2025. However, that's not stopped Jag tweaking the formula in the meantime, and following the XE's facelift a few years ago it's been updated once again, with new infotainment, featuring the latest connectivity technology and over-the-air software updates, plus a revised powertrain lineup. We'll start with the former because it's an area that this XE's predecessor needed some improvement in. The new P250 Pro system is much snappier in its responses, lagging less behind your inputs. But you also expect technology from a car like this, and it's the upgraded 10-inch touchscreen setup that helps the revised Jaguar in this respect. It features not only built-in satellite navigation, but Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity too. It's just a slicker system that lifts the XE's nicely appointed cabin. The leather is soft, the metal finishers feel expensive, and while build quality isn't on a par with an Audi A4 or even the BMW 3 Series, it's solid enough. The climate control panel and a few other details, such as the gear lever and the digital dashboard, give it a premium look and feel though. There are lots of features too, with full LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, electrically adjustable leather sports seats, a 3D surround view camera, cruise control, plus a good level of safety and driver assistance tech that you'd expect from a sporty compact executive saloon. One area where the Z has never been lacking is in its dynamic ability. The steering has superb precision, and the Jaguar's new shape steering wheel is sporty and feels nice in your palms. Thanks for watching.